Hey everybody, Dirty Dan here. So today we're going to be working on this vintage Athearn SD45. So this is one of the rarer ones, if not the rarest. It's the Santa Fe version. Now, this is an earlier version. I have two of these, and if we take the shell off, you will see inside this drive has had a bit of work done to it already. You can see somebody's done the pickup modification to it, the headlight's been removed, and as far as I can tell, that's about it. But there's a lot of work that this thing needs. First of all, I could see this pickup has been bent. These trucks are in not the greatest condition. They could really use some work. This one looks like it's sort of falling apart. This thing just needs a whole load of work, including these trucks need to be gone through. I've actually noticed these wheels look, I think they're brass, and I have not seen that before. So anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into it.